directions for the RPG Key V6. These directions will cover basic installation. Please be prepared to pause this video and do the things that we say in this video. This is our idea of an instruction manual, and we think it's a far better solution. So I've opened my Finder. The first thing you want to do is go to your Finder and open it and locate your applications folder. Please do this. Please also find the download, the V6 download, and unzip it by double-clicking on it. And I would recommend you move it to your desktop because this is a 3-step installation. I have my folder here. I'm going to double-click on it. So you'll see 3 folders: install step 1, step 2, and step 3. This video I'm going to walk you through each of these steps. In step 1, it's very simple. I want you to take the V6 application as shown here and drag it to your applications folder. This is important. Okay, so now that the V6 application is in your applications folder, you can now move on to step 2. In step 2, please start your version of Photoshop. In this case, I'm going to use Photoshop CS4. I'm then going to go to the File menu. I'm going to go to Scripts, and I'm going to go to Browse. I'm going to wait here for a minute while you catch up. Again, open Photoshop, go to the File menu, go to Scripts, and go to Browse. I want you to then navigate to the unzipped V6 folder on your desktop and go to the Install Step 2, and I want you to click on install.jsx and click the Load button. Some computers may witness an error message at this point. If you do, go back to the File menu and click Scripts and go to Browse and click the other test logo.jsx file inside of this. You've now installed step 2. Step 3, staying in Photoshop. I want you to click on the crop tool, and in the top left-hand corner I want you to find your crop tool presets. Click on the down arrow, coming over here to this little teeny tiny play button, and I want you to go to Load Tool Presets, and I want you then to navigate to the V6 folder to install step 3 and to load the Doug's Crops and hit load. Okay, so you've done all the installation you need to do. There's one last thing. We're going to go ahead and run the V6 application. I'm going to find it in my applications folder under RPG V6. I'm going to run it for the first time. When you run it for the first time, it's going to look like this. I want you to go up to the Layouts menu. I want you to go to Import. I want you to go navigate to the V6 folder. Go into the Install Step 1. There's a subfolder called Default Layouts. And I want you to select the layout that you need. If you're a Doug Gordon customer, I want you to select the name that ends in Doug. If you're using this for Lightroom only, you want to select the Lightroom 3 layout. And if you use the RPG keys with the RPG Key Photoshop plugin, you'll select the plugin layout. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and select the Doug layout. Okay, so you're ready to go. That's it. Just start playing with the keys.